चलिए अब हम लोग दूसरे पैराग्राफ का यानी द प्लेटफॉर्म्स पैक्ड से लेकर के और ये ऑफिशियल एटीट्यूड्स एंड रिपोर्ट्स तक इस इतने का हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एक्सप्लेन। तो एक्सप्लेनेशन में सबसे पहले क्या आता है, हिंट्स। सबसे पहले ऊपर क्या लिखा जाता है, हिंट्स लिखा जाता है। और हिंट्स में हम क्या देंगे, द प्लेटफॉर्म्स वेयर पैक्ड डॉट डॉट ऑफिशियल एटीट्यूड्स एंड रिपोर्ट्स। फिर इसके बाद अगली हेडिंग क्या आती है, रेफरेंस। रेफरेंस में क्या लिखेंगे, द एबव नोटेड लाइन्स और पैसेज हैज, अगर लाइन्स लिखेंगे तो हैव बीन और पैसेज लिखेंगे तो हैज़ बीन। तो द एबव नोटेड लाइन्स हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम द लेसन माई स्ट्रगल फॉर एन एजुकेशन and the writer of the lesson is William C. Douglas. Reference. अब context. Here in these lines, the writer Mr. William C. Douglas tells about the condition of the platforms and the things that to be happened with the writer in from Delhi to Rani Khet. The platforms were packed with people, Sikhs, Muslims, Hindus, soldiers, merchants, etc. Means the writer Mr. Booker T. Washington, as it had made a routine that whenever the train stopped at the stations, he swung open the door of his compartment and descend down to the platforms, walked there and talked to the people. The writer tells that the platforms that come in his way from New Delhi to Bareilly, all the platforms were packed, covered with the people, and these people were Sikh, Muslim, Hindu, soldier, merchant, priests, porters, beggars, hawkers, etc. The writer found that most of the people were barefoot. They have no any slipper or shoes in their foot. He guessed that this was because of the poverty. The writer saw that the people who were at the stations were wearing the clothes. Their clothes were loose, unfit clothes, unfit garments as dhoti, kurta, etc. The writer had to talk at least 3, 4 or 5 people before he could found anyone who could talk to him and understand his language. Whenever the writer found anyone who speak or understood his language well, then he would talk to him about the world affairs, about the every major topics of the news published in the newspaper. he would talk to him about the world situation and about the situation of the country. In this way, by talking to the people, the writer was to knew trying to know the real condition of India and Indian people, and he also was trying to check their views, their thoughts for the official attitudes and the reports, and he was trying to get a report about the situation of the of India and Indian people.